AUSTAR Technical Service is a professional solution provider for pharmaceutical enterprises, offering comprehensive facility management, lifecycle operation protection, and complete after-sales services. With the philosophy of keeping progressing, innovating, and taking continuous improvements of the operation and maintenance service system as the vision. AUSTAR Technical Service aims to help pharmaceutical enterprises to establish the leading management concept on the equipment and facilities system operation and maintenance. Following the equipment and facilities operation requirements, the business has been developing its capability in providing a comprehensive pharmaceutical service system and professional after-sales support measures. Available for dispensing, fermentation, ultrafiltration chromatography, powder solid, weighing, material transfer system and process automation in process systems, along with pharmaceutical water, piping, HVAC, and power systems in utility systems. We can provide a professional, safe, and effective one-stop service to secure the equipment lifecycle operation. AUSTAR Technical Service was officially certified and authorized as a 5-star service qualification. Meanwhile, we participated in several industry operations specification establishments. Our technical experts and facility management team provide a comprehensive, professional, timely, and considerate service. Early stage of operation. Through understanding the overall plant status, from daily facility management and preventative maintenance to issuing evaluation reports, identify potential risks and eliminating safety hazards to ensure stable operation and a high compliance pass rate. Middle stage of operation. We can provide installation and commissioning services, along with equipment calibration, 24/7 emergency contact to minimize downtime, focusing on process optimization, automatic control system upgrading, and energy-saving measures. The business is committed to GMP compliance, cost-efficient operation, and following the steps toward carbon neutrality. Later stage of operation. Our washing and de-roughing service can help clients deal with pipe corrosion. Relying on the deep understanding of authoritative regulatory guidelines, the business can provide system revalidation services. Based on our global supply chain, we can deliver all different kinds of spare parts to ensure constant equipment operation. Relying on over 30 years engineering experience in the pharmaceutical industry, AUSTAR Technical Service keeps pursuing up-to-date technologies, accumulating rich technical knowledge, and extending global coverage. In pursuit of customer satisfaction, AUSTAR Technical Service is dedicated to redefining lifecycle operation and maintenance services to enhance overall operation capabilities and create a better, efficient future. AUSTAR Technical Service, your operation and maintenance guardian.